students, I hope you all are doing well. In this section of my video, we will be going through the topic of reflection, that is another kind of mirror, a convex mirror. Now, to start with convex mirror, to know how a convex mirror forms image, we should know that what are the rules to be followed while you are forming image with the help of convex mirror. So, let's follow the set of rules while forming an image with the help of a convex mirror. So, in this section, we will be going through the rules of image formation. Let us start. Consider a convex mirror as a convex mirror is a mirror whose inner side is painted, that is, inner side is opaque while outer surface is made reflecting. Let's draw a principal axis. This straight line passing through the pole act as the principal axis. Consider this point as focus while this point as center of curvature, as these terminologies are very important for the formation of an image. Now, let us start with the very first. Rule number 1. Any ray which is parallel to the principal axis will get reflected by this convex mirror, and it will be reflected in such a manner that it seems to be coming from a common point or from a single point on the principal axis, and that point is known as principal focus. As you can observe, a ray which is parallel to principal axis gets reflected such that it seems to be coming from a point on principal axis. Rule number 2. Another ray which is incident on pole gets reflected below the principal axis such that the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection obeyed by this particular ray, as it is observed that this spherical mirror is almost plane at the pole. So the angle of incidence and angle of reflection are same. Third and important rule, any ray which is in line with the center of curvature. In line with the center of curvature means if a hole is made at this point in such a way that this ray passes through the center of curvature, this ray will retrace its entire path. So these are the basic 3 modules or the basic 3 rules which should be followed while forming an image with the help of a convex mirror. I hope you have understood these rules well. Thank you.